Welcome to Zero Trust Cyber Tips and Tricks. In today's video we will be talking about Mitre ATT&CK tactics and techniques. If you're in the cybersecurity field, you may have heard of this framework, but what exactly is it and how can it be used to improve your organization's security? In this video series, we'll give you an overview of what Mitre ATT&CK is and take a closer look at the tactics and techniques used by attackers. Introduction to Mitre ATTACK. Mitre ATT&CK is a globally accessible knowledge base of adversary tactics and techniques based on real-world observations. The ATTACK knowledge base is used as a foundation for the development of specific threat models and methodologies in the private sector, in government, and in the cybersecurity product and service community. Mitre ATTACK, short for Adversarial Tactics, Techniques, and Common Knowledge, is a framework that provides a comprehensive understanding of the methods and tactics used by cyber attackers. The framework is organized into a matrix that includes different tactics on the vertical axis, such as initial access, execution, persistence, etc. Part 13. Exfiltration. The adversary is trying to steal data. Exfiltration consists of techniques that adversaries may use to steal data from your network. Once they've collected data, adversaries often package it to avoid detection while removing it. This can include compression and encryption. Techniques for getting data out of a target network typically include transferring it over their command and control channel or an alternate channel and may also include putting size limits on the transmission. There are various techniques that can be used for exfiltration, some of which includes automated exfiltration. Adversaries may exfiltrate data, such as sensitive documents, through the use of automated processing after being gathered during collection. Traffic duplication. Adversaries may leverage traffic mirroring in order to automate data exfiltration over compromised network infrastructure. Traffic mirroring is a native feature for some network devices and used for network analysis and may be configured to duplicate traffic and forward to one or more destinations for analysis by a network analyzer or other monitoring device. Data transfer size limits. An adversary may exfiltrate data in fixed size chunks instead of whole files or limit packet sizes below certain thresholds. This approach may be used to avoid triggering network data transfer threshold alerts. Exfiltration over alternative protocol. Adversaries may steal data by exfiltrating it over a different protocol than that of the existing command and control channel. The data may also be sent to an alternate network location from the main command and control server. Exfiltration over symmetric encrypted non-C2 protocol. Adversaries may steal data by exfiltrating it over a symmetrically encrypted network protocol other than that of the existing command and control channel. The data may also be sent to an alternate network location from the main command and control server. Exfiltration over asymmetric encrypted non-C2 protocol. Adversaries may steal data by exfiltrating it over an asymmetrically encrypted network protocol other than that of the existing command and control channel. The data may also be sent to an alternate network location from the main command and control server. Exfiltration over unencrypted non-C2 protocol. Adversaries may steal data by exfiltrating it over an unencrypted network protocol other than that of the existing command and control channel. The data may also be sent to an alternate network location from the main command and control server. Exfiltration over C2 channel. Adversaries may steal data by exfiltrating it over an existing command and control channel. Stolen data is encoded into the normal communications channel using the same protocol as command and control communications. Exfiltration over other network medium. Adversaries may attempt to exfiltrate data over a different network medium than the command and control channel. If the command and control network is a wired internet connection, the exfiltration may occur, for example, over a Wi-Fi connection, modem, cellular data connection, Bluetooth, or another radio frequency, RF, channel. Exfiltration over physical medium. Adversaries may attempt to exfiltrate data via a physical medium, such as a removable drive. In certain circumstances, such as an air-gapped network compromise, exfiltration could occur via a physical medium or device introduced by a user. Such media could be an external hard drive, USB drive, cellular phone, MP3 player, or other removable storage and processing device. The physical medium or device could be used as the final exfiltration point or to hop between otherwise disconnected systems. Exfiltration over web service. Adversaries may use an existing, legitimate external web service to exfiltrate data rather than their primary command and control channel. Popular web services acting as an exfiltration mechanism may give a significant amount of cover due to the likelihood that hosts within a network are already communicating with them prior to compromise. Firewall rules may also already exist to permit traffic to these services. Exfiltration to cloud storage. Adversaries may exfiltrate data to a cloud storage service rather than over their primary command and control channel. Cloud storage services allow for the storage, edit, and retrieval of data from a remote cloud storage server over the Internet. Scheduled transfer. Adversaries may schedule data exfiltration to be performed only at certain times of day or at certain intervals. This could be done to blend traffic patterns with normal activity or availability. Transfer data to cloud account. Adversaries may exfiltrate data by transferring the data, including backups of cloud environments, to another cloud account they control on the same service to avoid typical file transfers, downloads and network-based exfiltration detection. Mitigating exfiltration attacks involves implementing a combination of technical and administrative controls. 1. Implementing data loss prevention (DLP) solutions. These can help to detect and block data exfiltration attempts. 2. Implementing user behavior analytics to detect any unusual activity. 3. Encrypting sensitive data in transit and at rest. 4. Implementing least privilege access controls and data access controls to limit the scope of data that could be exfiltrated. 5. Implementing security controls such as firewalls and intrusion detection and prevention systems. These can help to monitor and block unauthorized access attempts. 6. Regularly monitoring and analyzing network traffic. This can help to detect suspicious activity that could indicate an attempted exfiltration. 7. Implementing security configurations management. This can help to enforce security policies across the network, and detect any unauthorized changes. 8. Implementing security information and event management (SIEM). This can help to monitor, analyze, and respond to security-related data and detect any suspicious activity. 9. Regularly reviewing and monitoring system logs, including those of endpoint security software. This can help to detect any exfiltration techniques used by attackers. 10. Implementing network segmentation and isolation to limit the spread of an attack. 11. Implementing network monitoring and analysis tools to detect any unusual network traffic or activity. 12. Implementing access controls to limit access to only those users and systems that need it. 13. Implementing whitelisting and blacklisting for network connections and applications. 14. Regularly reviewing and managing user accounts, including disabling or removing accounts of employees who have left the organization and those that are not being used. 15. Implementing multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access. 16. Implementing security awareness and training program for employees. This can help to educate employees about the importance of security and the risks of phishing and social engineering attacks. 17. Having an incident response plan in place and regularly testing it. This can help ensure readiness in case of any attack. Mitre ATT&CK framework provides a comprehensive understanding of the techniques and methods used by attackers to exfiltrate and can help organizations to identify potential vulnerabilities and implement countermeasures to prevent exfiltration. For more information about exfiltration, go to Mitre website, at https://attack.mitre.org. In the next video we will be talking about Mitre ATTACK, impact. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.